Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we will see how do we open command prompt in Windows 10. So to open command prompt in Windows 10, the first and easiest way is to first search for CMD and you will find command prompt. You can type CMD as I have typed over here and then you can open the command prompt. So this is one way to open the command prompt, and once it is opened, you can do your work. Now the another way is, suppose you can simply click over here and just scroll down. You will find Windows System. See this one, Windows System. Just click on the drop down. See, here is a command prompt. You can directly open it. If you double click on it and open, then you will be accessing the command prompt normally. But sometimes what happens is you need the access as admin, because sometimes you are not allowed to perform certain actions on the command prompt if you are not the administrator of the system or you do not have admin access. So in that case you can run as administrator. Now if I click run as administrator, the command prompt will open as admin, but it will ask you whether you really want this app to make changes to your device. That means if you allow this to open as administrator, then you can perform certain action which can change the critical thing of the systems, which should not be done. So if you are very sure of what you are doing, or if you are installing any app which requires admin access, and if you are very sure that the app is not containing any malicious software, then only you should go with a yes and then open command prompt. Otherwise you should not do that. For now I am not opening as admin because I don't need admin rights for now, but you can do that. Or if you want to simply open command prompt, you can simply do this. So you have seen how you can open command prompt. Now suppose I am on this path, right, and I need to open command prompt at this particular path. So what can be done is, you can open CMD as I have shown. Search CMD and open it. So you can see that we are on the C drive user folder, but we need to go to C drive users folder, and within that we need to go to public. So what we can do is, we can simply do this. We can copy this, and at this place we can write CD and then right click. You will paste it. For me the paste is automatically happening once I do the right click, but in your case it might be that it might give you the option to paste. So click on the paste. So CD and then the path where you want to go, and once you click enter, you are at the path, this C drive users public. See, you are at this path. Now this is one way where you are using CD command, but suppose you don't want to use CD command and still want to open at this particular position. So I have closed the command prompt. If you can see, there is no command prompt. Windows open at this place. Now I want to open command prompt at this place. So what you can do is, you can simply click on this address bar and it will get selected something like this, and then here type CMD and press enter, and once you press enter, command prompt will open. So you can see the command prompt has opened exactly at this path. So you can do this for any path where you want to open the command prompt. Suppose I close this and I now want to open this at this place, public document. So what I can do is, I will again go to the address bar, click there and type CMD and again press enter, and you will see the command prompt will open at that particular position, C drive, public, and within document. So this is where it is getting opened. So you can do this on your system as well. Try it and you will be easily able to access the command prompt. If you want admin access, then you can just follow the steps that I have shown you. Go to the Windows system and then from there click on the command prompt and then run as admin, and then click run as admin as I have shown over here. Click run as admin. Within the mode you will see run as admin. So once you allow this access, you will be able to perform some other critical actions which is not allowed to other users on the system who are not admin. So hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.